Hi, this is Alelo Sylvester. On the 4th of March 2022, two of the world's biggest cryptocurrency exchange, Coinbase and Binance, resist calls to kick Russia off the cryptocurrency platform. Coinbase CEO Bram Armstrong said in a series of tweets that we believe everyone deserves access to basic financial services unless the law says otherwise. This has caused lots of controversy that has led to the fall in price of Bitcoin. Could this be bad news for Bitcoin holders or an opportunity for profit? Welcome to Jita Cashpoint Cryptocurrency Special. Also, only a little percentage of my viewers are actually subscribed, so kindly click the subscribe button. It is totally free and you can always change your mind.
Hey.
Hi, this is Alelo Sylvester. Welcome to another beautiful episode with Digital Cashpoint. And today we'll be looking at the Bitcoin chart. And basically, I decided to do this video on the Bitcoin because I feel there are a lot of information going around, and they're not necessarily positive information regarding the cryptocurrency space. And I think traders have been reacting to this emotionally in terms of taking their positions. So I'll be basically looking at the Bitcoin charts today from a technical point of view, and I'm not going to look a lot of we're not going to do a lot of fundamentals. And I believe that in the Bitcoin market, we know that fundamentals are really a big deal, and tends to make the market a lot more volatile and moves the Bitcoin market, the cryptocurrency space in general. But I think this is the point where the fundamentals and the technicals actually correlate, and I think we're going to see something, unique, happen in the Bitcoin space in a couple of weeks, I believe. So what we see, there's my chart, and basically I have been following on the Bitcoin chart for months now, and towards the early part of this year, I gave my analysis on the Bitcoin chart, and I said it was going to buy, and we saw the market buy from around market bought from around $37,000 and bought to around $45,000. So what we've been seeing basically is that the Bitcoin, the Bitcoin cryptocurrency has been on this zone. Basically, it has been trading up and down within this region for the past month, and traders currently are really reacting to the war happening in between Russia and Ukraine, and these has made a lot of retail traders in this space, and traders are not really long-term holders, and they have been selling. They have been selling massively, and that is why we saw the market fall drastically, within a couple of days. So this is the one-day chart. Sorry, this is the 4 hour chart, and we're going to be looking at what the market is currently doing. And I feel the market marks at this point, and this was around $45,000, and we can see it touched this with a spike, and the market fell down, cutting through. We have the 13 EMA right here, just basically smoothing out the price movement for us. I also have RSI right here. And basically, the reason I have the RSI right here is to check for the deviations in price. And I have seen that the market has responded to the RSI for a couple of trades. And I don't really know why the Bitcoin market has been responding that way, but it's something I think has held, and it will continue to hold. So what we saw is that the market fell. The market fell from, let's take it back here. Let's take it back here. Awesome. All right. So, all right, this is good. We saw the market did make a move from this point. It peaked right here. This was around $69,000, and this was around last year, November last year. Made a push down, another push down, consolidated within this range. This is a push down here, and we expected it to see a push up in price, but then the market did make a reset at this point, and then it just fell massively down to this point. And ever since, traders have be skeptical about the direction of the market, and the market just continued to drop from there. And all right, so looking at this right here, we saw the market made this final drop, push down in price. If you look at this from the higher time frame, you'll be able to see the pushes in price, and the market did fell up to this point. This was around $34,000. The fundamentals at this point were also very good. For the cryptocurrency, and we saw market come back to retest this region right here, and our entry signal was around this point right here. We saw the market broke this region and then just bought. All right, so what we are seeing right here is that these are the three current regions. The market is fluctuating around, and we saw the market peaked at this point right here. It's around $45,000, and it dropped down through $40,000, and currently margin around $34,000 to around let's just say $40,000. All right, so that's what we're seeing price currently do, and this is what I think the market is going to do in a couple of weeks. We might still see the market push down in price due to the uncertainty around the market, and also because of the hype currently around the Russia and Ukraine war. What we see right here. All right, so we're currently looking at a price action here, right here. So this looks like a morning star, and which also, when price action appears at key regions, we're expecting to see the market respond to it. So what we are seeing right here is an indication that the market wants to buy, but I don't think the market is going to buy immediately. I think the market is going to make one push down right here. I think the market is going to make one more push down, and before we're going to see a bullish ride actually. And if I take this, let's say we take this to the 1-day chart. All right, so this is the 1-day chart. We're looking at this right now. All right, so on the 1-day chart, you can see this is just basically a consolidation, right? The entire move right here is a consolidation. The market has been within this range. But if you see, the price has been, ranging upward. If I were to draw a trend line from this point right here, if I were to draw a trend line from this point right here, all right, so what we can see is that the market has been pushing upward, and then I think it's going to continue pushing upward. We might see a little bit of pushback right here. If we take this back to the 4 hours marker, all right, so take this back to the 4 hours marker, you can see this. So this was a fake out, basically. The market didn't respond to this, it bought back, and right here we're seeing price currently testing this region. So I think we're going to see the price fall down a little bit. It might cut through around this region, but then we're going to see the price respond, because if you look at the on-chain data for Bitcoin currently, you will see that the long-term holders and those that really hold, that has been holding Bitcoin for quite some time, are actually accumulating more of Bitcoin, and that is actually a signal for a bullish move in the market. I see that, and I know that this is the right time for you to buy in. I actually think this is the right time for you to buy in. But like I said, you can go further to do your analysis on this. This is basically my view. I'm actually buying Bitcoin. I actually bought at this point right here. All right, I'm gonna rebuy more at this point. I think the market is going to make a reversal very soon, and we're going to see Bitcoin, push first back to around $45,000, and before it will break this region, and we'll see further movement in price, right? So because what we see right here is just accumulation. This is just accumulation. All of this push down, just accumulation of more positions on this, and we're going to see price soar all the way up. If we were to add the RSI, if we were to add the RSI indicator right here, all right, so if we were to add the RSI indicator to the chart, what we see, all right, sorry about that. All right, so what we see basically, if we add the RSI indicator, we're seeing a clear deviation already here. All right, it's a minute deviation currently here in price. This is exactly what we saw right here. All right, so this is exactly what we saw right here in the price. You can see this from this point right here. All right, so this was still coming down and this was going up. And I think we're seeing same right now. The market has started going up. RSI is showing us a bullish market right here, but the market is still coming down. And I think the market is about to make a reversal, and yeah, it's going to buy. So if this information was helpful, just give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And I post contents like this on cryptocurrencies. I post on Forex, on the foreign exchange market, and also on stocks. And yeah, see you next time.